Welcome back to my channel. It's me, VarkMarker. Today, I will show you how to set up a lab to study different types of attacks involved in ethical hacking. This lab is called Metasploit2, but first, you need to install virtualbox on your system. I will give a video link in the description on how to install virtualbox in Linux. After watching that video, you can follow the steps in this video. Open a browser here. I use Firefox. I give a link in the description. You can copy the link and paste it into the browser, then press enter. Press the download button. Open your terminal and type the following command, as shown in the screen. Type exit in the terminal, and press the enter key. Open your VirtualBox. Press the new button. Enter a name here. I type Metasploit2. Set the type to Linux. Set the version to Debian 64-bit. Press the next button. Press the next button. Press the finish button. Right-click the Metasploit2, then open its settings. Go to the storage and delete the VDI file in the SATA controller. Press the little hard disk icon. Click the Add button. Open that file, and press the Choose button in the bottom right corner of that window. Press the OK button and start the VM. We successfully set up the lab. Are you going to hack me? Hack me by pressing the subscribe, like button, and clicking the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Wish you a great day.